Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We are in a town called Hampshire, Illinois. It's about maybe an hour away from Chicago.
It's this way. We're
it's
here.
southwest.
It's this way.
Yeah. So it's southwest, or it's kind of south north, or
it's west northwest, isn't it?
Yes. Thank you. Yeah,
It's okay. It's Sunday.
It is Sunday.
The brains are a little fried.
Yeah.
It's all right. We're
So
all
yes,
good.
so it is northwest of Chicago by about an hour.
But mostly west.
Yes, and we are at a place called Enjoy Pioneer Farms, and they are open only really 3 months out of the year. They're open 12 months out of the year because you can buy eggs. You can buy meat from them, things like that. But the part that we're seeing, it's only open for one more weekend. And we're very excited about it. It's all the little baby animals. They're tiny. Yeah, so there's like chicks and ducks and calves and goats and all sorts of stuff. So
I bet you're going to break out into Surrey with a fringe on top.
top.
Chicks and ducks and geese better hurry.
So we are. So let's go on in and check this place out. And they, like I said, this part of the business is only open March, April, and May. Okay, so if they've only got one.
This is May 22nd.
Yeah, so they only got one weekend left. So if you want to see this this year, you got to make it next weekend. Okay, and they're only open Saturday and Sunday. So let's go on in. So look at this. Look at the ducks. Becky's gonna get a duck, a baby duck. Oh, look at that little cutie. Look at that.
You want to hold the duck?
You want to hold a duck there?
It's pretty calm. Like it's not flailing. Oh, it likes my earrings.
Likes your hair.
Oh, I like your sweatshirt.
Here they got all sorts of chicks.
Just hold it.
Yeah. Oh, look at Jimmy's face. She's liking it. It's so soft, isn't it?
Look at me. I can try.
Hi. Well, hello. How are you? Yes. And you can pet the piggies. Hi. Hi, piggy. Oh, Becky's liking the chicks. Oh my goodness, look at these little guys here. Oh, so soft. It is. Yeah, pet the goat. It's so soft. Hi. How are you? You are a cutie. Hi. Oh my goodness. You are just the cutest. Yeah, pet him. He's so soft.
All my life.
Hi, baby.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. You kind of look like gravy in your face. Yeah. Can I take a picture?
Oh my goodness. He's holding a goat.
How do you think they make up on the time?
Hi, how are you? Yeah. Okay, look at this guy. Hi. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna eat the hair on my hands, huh? Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna eat the hair on my hands. Oh boy.
They're very calm.
Look at
Are you gonna pet it?
Want to pet him? It feels nice.
that. So sweet.
Oh, mother.
Oh, that's a funny.
That's so cute.
You just set it right alongside of you.
Oh, he's a cutie.
I want to go. We have one. It's a goat dragon. And he's one of a kind. He's the only of his kind. Yeah.
That is cute. And look over here. Look at the little, all the lambs. Oh my goodness. So sweet. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at this little love. Hi, Mama. How are you? Huh? Look at the babies.
Did you get free? Just jump right out of it.
And look at this. We got these two over here. Hello. How are you? Are you being held by Vivi? Huh? Yeah. And this one being held by... You want him? Huh?
Okay.
You've always wanted to be on a farm. You've always wanted to have goats and chicks and stuff.
Name them all.
You are just a cutie. Yes, you are. Look at him. He wants out. He's like, hey, I want to cuddle some more. What are you doing? I need cuddles. And I didn't even see this one over here. Got like a black Angus calf. Yeah. Look at him jumping around. Look at. He's so excited.
Oh, and that one.
Oh, that one just that. I'm just getting out. Look at
That one jumps high.
Yep.
You guys must know something.
You can't cage me in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that.
Hey.
Looking for a hike.
I have a goat on a leash. Look at him go. Oh gosh, he's all there. Man, they just love jumping around and look at him go. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, look at them. Now they're gonna hit each other. They're gonna.
They're practicing with their horns. They're only 2.5 months old.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
And the horns are big already.
Yeah, they are.
So the other ones are only a month old, and they just have little nibs starting.
Goodness. Here, hold that for a second.
Really gotta have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
That's just how they play around and stuff. Look at this. Look at this guy, huh?
Yeah, they want to really whack each other.
They're so much fun.
Hey.
He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Counterattack.
Whack each other.
Just like every animal, they get the zoomies and then run around. Well, especially when they're young. How old's this one?
Was born the 3rd of March.
Okay, so
They're both the same age. One was born like in the evening, one was born in the morning.
okay.
Yeah.
These two got feisty.
They got feisty. Yeah. Are you having fun walking a goat? Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The baby's so sweet.
So
And these guys are 2 months old.
yeah, they're 2 months old and they're 1 month.
And they're 1 month old. They're pretty much brand
Right out
new.
here and jump.
Yeah. Hey, you.
My heart.
I want to see this little girl right here. Yes, hi. How are you? Oh, you like to lick, huh? Yeah, look at you. Yeah, I want to lick. You're sweetie. Yes, you are.
Get back in there. He's ready. Okay. Wow.
I am done.
That was enough of that business. I had enough outside. I'll go in there in a minute and take off.
Yeah.
Now let her be.
Oh, yeah.
Giving her a
I'm
kiss.
gonna give you a kiss.
You fine.
You good.
All right, the lambs are now awake. It's feeding time. Look at that. Yes. Sleeping is hard business, and when you wake up, you're thirsty and you're hungry. So that's right. What else we got over here? Oh, we got a pig. Hi, Piggy. Hi, Piggy. How you doing? How are you? Yeah, you want to sniff me? Yeah, you gonna sniff me? Hi. Look at him. He's itching himself. He's scratching. Look, they got a bunch of different bunnies. All the different bunnies. Yeah, hi, baby. And all the animals you can hold. Every single one of these animals. They got look at roosters back there. I saw one of the ladies over here holding a rooster. I just love these two calves. They are just so sweet. Yes, they are. Gonna eat your earring.
Look at him. Can't climb me.
But I want love. I want
He
love.
wants to climb on top of me.
Yeah. All right.
What? It's Kylo Hen.
It's Kylo Hen. I thought Kylo Hen had to be black.
Maybe this is just.
Oh,
It's Hen Solo.
Hen Solo. There you go.
He's good boy Hen Solo.
Yeah. So Becky's holding baby chicks.
Can I have one? Can I have one?
Can I get a duck?
Can you? So you want the duck,
I want the duck.
and you want a chick.
Can I have one?
You'd love that, wouldn't you? They are very sweet.
If I didn't have 3 dogs at home, I would eat the chicken.
So you guys have a program where you can rent the chicks and the ducks, right? For 2 weeks, right? And you help. They just help raise them a little bit, and then you bring them back, right? It's just
Right.
okay.
It's a perfect program for families that don't want a continual pet. you
Sure.
know?
Or
Maybe
it's,
you want to try out.
but that's a good thing too. It's a good way to try out.
Right?
Yeah.
With the rabbits, sometimes kids are allergic to them.
Sure.
So better to just,
Rent them for 2 weeks and see it happen.
weeks rather than have
Right.
all the paraphernalia. Excellent
idea,
spending, $500 on a hutch and
Right.
all that stuff.
So it's $50 for 2 weeks.
$50 and you get 2 chicks,
2 chicks. Yeah.
the food and the bedding
Okay.
for 2 weeks. Did you want one too, sir? Oh, yes, you do. You need to. So you also do need housing,
Sure.
and that's something that you can put together by yourself.
Mm-hmm.
But they do need 90 to 95 degrees. So you come up with a plastic tub and
Okay.
a clamp-on light, 60-watt bulb, and a thermometer, and keeps them nice and toasty.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, that's very cool. So, well, thank you.
We've
Yeah.
been doing it for lots of years.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah.
Great following, lots of fun people out there.
It is. Yeah.
All
We
different kinds.
had a good time today. So, thank you so much for having us. Oh, that was great.
Sometimes I feel a little weird because we don't have little kids anymore, but it doesn't
Yeah.
matter. We went to like a reindeer training facility in the winter. I was like, okay, we're the oldest.
Yeah. Becky is so excited. She gets to hold a lamb. Look at that. Oh, how sweet are you? Oh my gosh. They feel like kind of matted up cotton balls, you know? Vivi, go in and get yourself a pet, huh? Oh, yeah. So sweet. So sweet. So how did everybody like Pioneer or enjoy Pioneer Farms?
God, all the little babies.
You were in heaven.
I'm going to take a bag next year and I'm going to just shove animals into it.
I want a duck.
You want
She
a duck?
wants duck.
Yeah, she wants a duck. You want a chick?
I want chickens.
Do you like? What did you like?
I need
the
a
lambs or the
Kylo
goat?
hen. I need a hen solo.
Uh-huh.
I need a Bernie Sanders. And then I'm sure I'll think of more names. And the goats.
And the goats.
Everyone was so cuddly.
Everybody. Yeah. Even the calves. The one calf was real licky.
He's a licky guy.
She was a licky. Yeah.
Oh, she was.
Yeah. And those two, the two calves that were there that I showed you, the Holstein one, the black and white one, was born in the morning, and the Angus was the black one was born at night, same day, and they said it was
They're sisters.
Yeah, they're sisters, and they're 3 months old. March 3rd they were born. So sweet. And when and if you come at that time in like March or April and the calves are real, then you can even bottle feed them. You can help bottle feed them.
So I know what I'm doing every weekend
in March,
April, and May. I'm going to feed some calves. I'm going to and they have the chicken rental.
Yeah, you can rent either chicks or ducks for 2 weeks at a time, and it's just a good way for people to introduce if they're thinking about raising chicks and ducks and things like that, or if they just want chicks or ducks, and they can find out, is it easy? Is it hard?
It's never as easy as you think it is.
It's never as easy as you think it is, and that's why they rent them. $50 for 2 weeks, and then you bring them back and you say, you know what, I want to buy them. You know,
if we didn't have god-awful dogs at home.
I know, right? Because our town just passed an ordinance that you can raise chickens there now.
You need a permit though, so
you do
obviously
need
the city's going to get their money.
Yeah, of course. So, I really had a fun time here.
I had a ball.
I hope you guys
I touched
you had
everything.
a good time. Good. Yeah.
My sister texted me. I texted her a picture. She's like, "Don't bring a goat home."
You have to tell Becky these things, otherwise she will do that. So, all right. So if you liked what you saw today, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Remember, keep it safe, keep it sexy. If you want to correspond with us via P.O. Box, I will put that down below, our address.
But if you're going to send us a goat, let us know so we go and pick it up.
Yeah. So
or a chicken.
Or a chicken. Right. Or a duck. Yeah, anything like that.
Yeah. Just let us know. We'll accept it. Just let us know so we can go pick it up.
That's right. And
it's not in our P.O. box forever.
I am also going to link the address and their website down below as well as the interactive map that Davy Sitter has made for us. Yeah, that was Davy Sitter. Yeah.
Yeah, she was.
Yeah. So so all that information is going to be down below in the description box. Okay. And until next time, everybody, we will see you then. Have a great day. Bye.